already too late. It's 11:32.
Yes, ma'am.
Now to start the class, the first day starts.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
चला गया सब सही से देखो ये चार्ज हो रहा था अभी
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me start. Let me start. You be quiet now. The first thing is that I want to recapitulate what we have studied last week. In fact, on Monday, we studied about the scale of the map, and there were three different types of scales. One, the statement scale. Now, Kanha.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you tell me what is a statement scale?
Ma'am, it is expressed in words, ma'am, like 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers.
Right. So now, what is a linear or a graphic scale? Anand Sarup, can you hear me? Anand, can you hear me? What is a linear or a graphic scale? Okay, anyone? Ishita Wahi. Jayati Kapoor, anyone? Are you hearing me?
Ma'am, in this type of scale, it is represented by a straight line divided into equal parts.
Okay, this was Anand.
Ma'am, Trish.
Okay. And what is RF? What is RF?
Ma'am, RF?
Not you, someone else.
Ma'am.
RF?
Ma'am, the scale is represented as the ratio of the length of a line on the map and corresponding actual distance. Ma'am, it is ratio. Ma'am, one map unit distance.
Difference between RF and scale? Statement scale and RF.
RF is a ratio between two distances, and statement scale is used to represent the distance.
The main difference between RF and scale is a ratio, and in a ratio, the two are of the same unit. Hear me? The difference between two places on the ground is in the same unit. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Once again, RF is the ratio of distance between two places on the map. Now, you have done these exercises. Okay. Now let us now
Ma'am, please repeat the first one.
forest or green patch. Evidence is forest or a green patch. In occupation, the occupation will be forestry. forestry. Second is yellow patch. Occupation is third is open scrub. SCRUB, open scrub. All these things you will find in the survey map. I will also give you a look of it. Sheep or goat. And queries. MINES, mines, or queries. QUARRIES. And the occupation will be mining or querying.
Ma'am,
Mining. This is mining and querying means to break the rocks into smaller pieces. From those areas where there are the rocky regions, the bigger pieces of rocks are broken into smaller pieces, and these smaller pieces are then used for making the construction of roads or buildings, etc. Gitti banana. You understand what is gitti? Small stones.
Yes,
So the
yes,
rocks are converted
Yes,
into
ma'am.
smaller pieces. That place from where the rocks are taken out, that place is called as a quarry. QUARRY, quarry. And the occupation is quarrying. Now, fifth one is, if the settlement is located near road,
Yes, ma'am.
comma, port, PORT, port,
Ma'am,
comma,
what is the occupation
or
of
river.
fourth one? What
Huh?
is the occupation of fourth one?
Occupation of fourth one is mining and quarrying. Where there will be a mine, there will be mining, and where there will be a quarry, there will be quarrying. That is occupation. Fifth one, you have written settlement near main roads, comma, ports, PORTS, or rivers, RIVERS. In this, the occupation will be trade. Trade. Next one is lakes or rivers. Lakes or rivers. The occupation can be fishery. Fishery. HERY. Fishery. When 10 minutes are left. If there is a golf course, next is golf course, park, occupation is cultural development.
Ma'am, what is the occupation was just one?
Cultural development.
Just one.
Fifth one was trade. TRADE.
Okay,
जब भी कोई भी सेटलमेंट माने कोई भी, हाँ, जब भी कोई सेटलमेंट किसी सड़क या नदी के किनारे है, तो वहाँ का मेन ऑक्यूपेशन क्या होता है? ट्रेड है। वो है को एक जगह से
Okay, ma'am.
I hope this much is enough. I will just, can you open any of the survey map? Any of the survey map from the back of your books? Let us open the first one. Have you opened it? The first one. Okay. In this first one, you can see certain color. A river going from the northern part of the map. Can you see that river?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the river? Anyone?
Yes, river. Banas River.
Right. Okay. It is the Banas River.
Audio.
So can you name a settlement? Can you name a settlement located to the north of River Banas?
Karja.
Very good. Karja. Okay. Now, how many of you have understood eastings and northings? Eastings? What are eastings?
Running from
Eastings are running from north to wait a minute. Eastings are running from north to south, right? Red color lines running from north to south.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And northings?
lines running from east to west.
Right.
Running from east to west.
Right. So now what is the four-figure grid reference of Arnivada? Arnivada is located to the north of River Banas. Find out Arnivada and tell me the four-figure grid reference of Arnivada. Arnivada. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Ma'am, is it 9482?
Ma'am, 9482.
देखिए
9482.
9482. Start from the southwest corner, don't forget. Southwest corner. Where is Arnivada located? 9481. Very good. Very good. It is 9481. Let us try one more. Antroli. Antroli. Find out Antroli. 9576.
9576.
9576.
Good. Very good. Very good. 9576. Very good. Okay. Okay. So this is now the time is 11:50. Whose mobile is this? The time is 11:50. So today, children, since the time is very less, I do not know how much I will be able to conclude. But I will tell you some things that today I'll be sending you an entire list of the important terms. Acha, how many of you have already written? How many of you already done the symbols in your copy?
Yes,
Symbols.
I'm done.
If you
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
you know what are symbols?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pratham, have you done? Okay. Okay. Now let me tell you a few things. Uh, Please try to understand what I'm saying now. Those who are talking, those who are having someone talking at the back, please ask them to be away from there. Now try to understand this. Why are we studying all these small things? Like, why do we need to study the map scale? The map scale, the RF, the colors, interpretation of colors, contours, form lines, etc. Who is this? If you're talking, please switch on. Why have you all? Okay. Once again, I'm repeating. What's the need of studying all these things? It is because you will have only one survey map in front of you. The map which I have already sent in one of the assignments, which will have various colors and various symbols. You will have only that map in front of you, and from that map, when the questions will be asked, the questions asked can be: what type of settlement is it? What type of drainage pattern is it? What type of uh, occupation is there from the map? What type of rainfall is received? All these answers you will understand and you will be able to give only if you will study all the things which I am giving you now. There are certain features which I'll be giving you today only. I'll be sending you some more features, maybe today or tomorrow. Some more features which you have to even learn the topic. For example, what is annual fair? So the annual fair. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like all these important words are there. Fire line. What is fire line? What is telegraph and telephone line? What is the purpose of it? Why? What is the if it is written fall 55? What does it mean? If it is written DEP at some place, what does that mean? All these things I will be sending you today or tomorrow, maybe in parts. And what you have to do is to just write them in the copy and learn them. If you will not be able to learn anything, then it is a waste of time. Okay? You have to learn everything what you are writing, everything you have to learn. Suppose if you are talking about a linear pattern of settlement, linear pattern of settlement, you will see that that pattern is running on across the road, along the road, or a river. If the settlements develop along a river or a road in a linear form, then it is called as a linear pattern of settlement. The students will be talking to right now. The time is up, so I am going to stop this. I'm sorry for today's inconvenience.
Yes.
We'll suddenly meet after. I'll be asking sir to give me one more class, maybe on Monday, and I'll be able to explain to you things. Okay? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.